guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ursula, the mom of the Fab Five, and this is a Fab Five craft. Well, today I'm coming to you with another Dollar Tree haul for this week. This is my second haul of 2020. I found some really cute items. You'll have two hauls back to back because I did go out, and I don't want to make this video too much longer, but I did go out again today, so I'll bring you another one in a day or two. We'll see how much y'all view it. Okay. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing after you see this video. Hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. This channel is not intended for anyone under the age of 18 years old. So if you're older than that, let's get started. Alright, so y'all, I found the cutest scarves I have ever seen in Dollar Tree. And I got these for Ursula because I thought they were really cute. They all have it's like a magenta pink, a hot pink, and it has light pink stars on it, if you can see that. Those light pink stars. And then, I mean, not stars, hearts, light pink hearts on it. So if you look at the back of that, you can see it. If you look at the heart, you see it. And then it has the light pink tassels on it. So this is so cute. So you have a couple tassels that are on it or whatever. These will make cute pillows. Very thin but cute pillows. So I did pick that up in the Valentine's Day section. And then I picked up a couple rows of this decorative mesh. And it's like a pink, a hot pink with the gold in it. Get 5 yards of that. So that's a pretty nice deal. Home decor. I found these new towels. Now this one is just a hand towel, and it's a regular towel. It's not the terry cloth. It's a regular towel that you can dry your hands on. It has the print on there. Home is where the shower is. I'm thinking that's what it says. So it looks like this. Is black with the white print on it. Really cute. I thought that would be really cute. In my kitchen, it's mostly black and white. But it can't go in my kitchen. It has to go in my bathroom. So it'd be nice as a hand towel. Next thing I got was this galvanized long bucket. It's not the short side one. It has a twine around it. I just wanted this to use on my front porch. Alright, so they have new Bolero products, y'all. It's been a long time since they came out with new Bolero products. So I did pick up some of them. Not all of them, because I'm not using a spritz on my face. I'm not using the oil on my face. I'm not. But I did get the facial mask, the paper facial mask. I do use these, and they work pretty good, usually. But this is the strawberry plus the pineapple with vitamin C. It's for brightening, and it's made with fruit enzymes and improved skin tone, okay? It's paraben-free and dye-free. So you get one treatment, and the packaging is so cute. You got the strawberries on top because it is strawberry and pineapple. So you got that up there at the top. And then I picked up the hand cream. Now I have never tried the hand cream. A lot of people say it works, but I'm going to try it out for myself. You get 2 of them. This is the brightening strawberry and pineapple. It looks like this. And then I picked the hand wash. These smell good, and you get a lot in it, and it's thick. I like thick wash, so you don't have to use so much of it. But this is the Bolero hand wash, and this is also in the strawberry and pineapple. It is the brightening, like I said, and this is also paraben free. You get 13.5 fluid ounces, so it's a nice big container. Okay. Last thing I got from Bolero, and I am true to these, not new to these. I got this, the brightening facial wipes, the strawberry and the pineapple. You get 30 of them in here. Love the packaging, and I use these every time I take off my makeup. First thing I use. They do have toner and things like that, but I did not get that. I got this facial gel hydrator. Now, it says it's hydrating. I'm not putting this on my face. It's color-free and paraben-free. But it's watermelon and aloe. This is another scent I have found. I found this glitter peel off mask by Spy Life, and it is a 4.05 ounce container. Really cute packaging on this as well. So it's very easy to do. It's 20 minute peel off mask, and you can use it multiple times. Let's see if it's gold. It's probably sealed, huh? Yeah, it's sealed. This one's gonna be mine. So gold peel off mask, a glitter peel off mask, rejuvenating gold, and it looks like this again. So I got that, guys. Okay. The Beauty Owl, they have these eyelashes, false eyelash extension applicator. These are nice to have. It's by Sassy and Chic. I got the pink one, and as you see, the tip is like that. So when you put it on there, it's curved. So you want it curved and not straight. Okay? One more thing. They have some new bath bombs out. These bath bombs are by Crayon, and they're on the small side, but I'm going to see how they are and the scent. This one is cotton candy scent. They have grape scent and cherry scented. So these are going to be great for Valentine's Day. They are all shaped in a heart for a girl's basket. Okay, so the other Valentine items I picked up. I picked up the wooden 8-pack of ornaments. It's this wooden, it's burnt in, say Happy Valentine's Day. And I think the Valentine's Day is on both sides because I see it on this side and I see it on that side. But I'm not sure. And then I got blank ones, and you get 5 of these. And then I got these, and you get 5 of these, and it has the love on it. So it looks like that. So I picked up 3 wooden ornaments for craft projects. Staying with the craft projects, I got these felt stickers with the rhinestone in the middle, and they're pink and red. So they look like this. Really, really cute for craft projects. Sticking with the craft Valentine's Day project, I picked up this Love XO and Valentine galvanized 3-piece decor. So this is what it says on there. So yeah, pick those up. Oh my God, let me show y'all this. It's a little box, and it says "You Drive Me Crazy," and it has a little red truck on there. It's just a little gift box. On the inside, it's red. But yeah, I thought that was really cute. And it's shaped in a heart. Got some confetti that always spills out from Dollar Tree. Heart-shaped confetti, and it's all different hearts. It has open hearts, shallow hearts. I guess it's shallow. I don't know. But now it's everywhere. And the last things I picked up in the Valentine's Day area are these these cute cards. They're by Viola, but this is one to my daughter with love, and it has a couple rhinestones on it. And this one is super cute, super cute. It's to a special son on Valentine's Day, and it has headphones around it. Ain't that too cute? And in the inside is what got me. The inside looks like this, and it's from a phone or an iPod. But it says, all the things in life that you can follow these days, I wish you the ability to always follow your heart. Happy Valentine's Day to you, wonderful son. You are loved today and always. This is the best card I have seen hands down at Dollar Tree for handmade Valentine's Day card. The last couple things I got was these earrings, and I have on a pair today. They are just little gold hearts, and they look like this. They are a Valentine's Day theme they have going on right now. So this is the hearts, and then these are like the rope ones. So I thought those was really cute. Stationery. I picked up these scented pencils for Ursula. What I call them, smelly pencils. And they're called Smellies. This one is pine. Let me smell it. Ooh, it smells good. This is pineapple. And let's smell orange. Very orangey. And this one is, let's see, scratch it. Very blueberry. Ooh, these smell really good. And then I got the Mr. Sketch scented crayons. You get 8 scented crayons in this, and this is going to be put up for next school year. The last 2 things I got are so adorable. I'm not using them for what they intended for, I can tell you that. They are these bad boys. Tootsie Roll and a Blow Pop. Okay, so we're going to start off with this dog toy. It's a Tootsie Roll. It's really thick and plush. It has a rope on it. And I'm going to just put these in my daughter's room. And I think they'll be a cute prop for a birthday party. Also, if you were doing a candy themed birthday party, these will be a really good prop. So I got that. And then I got this one. It says Charms Blow Pop and Cherry. Alright. So that's the end of my haul. If you like my Dollar Tree haul, y'all give me a big thumbs up on this haul, okay? Give me that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Peace, love, and blessings to you all. You guys have a rest of your week. Be great.